Students, welcome to Excel Tuitions. Today we will solve model question paper of Mathematics for Standard 4th English Medium for the exam Summative Evaluation 2nd year 2025-26 for term 2. In this paper there are 13 questions. Duration is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Within 1 hour you have to finish the paper. Now we will see the general instructions. First, the question paper consists of 13 questions. Second, attempt all the given questions. Third, the figure on the right indicates the marks. Students, if you like the content of Excel Tuition Goa board channel, then kindly share to your friends, like, share and subscribe for more such videos. And students, I request you to watch the complete video. Don't skip the video as some important tips and additional questions are added in between the videos. Don't miss that. So kindly watch complete video. Now we'll start solving the question paper. Select and write the correct option from the choices given below. 1 mark each, 6 questions. So here first they have given the MCQs. 6 MCQs are there, 1 mark each. You have to choose from the options given the correct option. Question number 1. Which number represents the denominator in the fraction 7 upon 12? In this fraction, the 7 is numerator and 12 is the denominator. The options given are A 7, B 19, C 5 and D none of the above. And the correct option among these is option D none of the above. Options. Since 12 is not given in the multiple choice options, we have to write none of the above options for this question. Question number 2. A book has 200 pages. If 1 upon 2, that means half of the pages have been read, how many pages remain to be read? Options are A 25 pages, B 100 pages, C 75 pages and D none of the above options. And the correct option here is 100 pages because half of 200 is 100. So you can calculate as 1 upon 2 into 200. And 200 divided by 2 is 100. So the answer is 100 pages. Question number 3. Write the simplified form of 25 upon 35. The options are 6 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 6 upon 9. And D, none of the above options. Students, here you have to see the numbers 25 and 35. These two numbers come in which table? So the common table you have to find out. So the 25 and 35 comes in table 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 7s are 35. So the correct option here is 5 upon 7. It is the simplified form of 25 upon 35. Question number 4. A rectangular garden has a length of 25 meter and a width of 19 meter. What is the area of the garden? Here the shape of the garden is rectangle. So you have to find out the area of the rectangle. The options given here are A 475 square meters, B 250 square meters, C 457 square meters and D none of the above options. In this question we have to find out the area of the rectangle. To find the area of the rectangle we have to use the formula area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here the length is given 25 and breadth means width is given 19. So 25 into 19 is 475. Therefore, the correct option here is 475 square meters. Question number 5. What is the main purpose of drawing a chart? Options are to have fun, B. Construction. C. Drawing and art. And D. None of the above options. And the correct option among these is none of the above options. Question number 6. Pets owned by students. Here the chart is given and pets owned by the students are given. Students, cat, dog and rabbit. So Rohan has 2 cats, 1 dog and 3 rabbits. Maya has 1 cat, 2 dogs and 2 rabbits. Daksh has 3 cats, 1 dog and 1 rabbit. Now we'll see the options given. A. Rohan has the fewest cats. No, Maya has the fewest cats. So first option is wrong. Second, Daksh has the most cats. Third option is Maya has an equal number of all the pets. And D, none of the above option. Maya has equal number of pets, that also a wrong sentence. So the correct option is option B, ducks had the most cats. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Match the following pairs. In A group, it is given 64 meters. Second is 15 meter plus 15 meter plus 6 meter plus 6 meter. Third is 4 into 150 meters. Fourth is 250 meters minus 50 meters. And in B group, 42 meters, 200 meters and 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 36 meter, and D is 600 meters. Now we'll match the columns. For 64 meters, the correct option is C. 8 plus 8 plus 12 plus 36 comes as 64 meters. Adding all these 4 numbers, we are getting 64 meters. Second one, 15 plus 15 plus 6 plus 6 is 42 meters. Third, 4 into 150 is 600 meters. And 250 minus 50 is 200 meters. Question number 8. Solve the following problems. A. The side of the square measures 15 centimeter. What is its area? We have to find out the area of the square. Side is given as a 15 centimeter. So area of square is equal to side into side. So 15 into 15 is 225 centimeters square. Since the side is given as a 15 centimeter, and as we know all 4 sides of the square are equal. That's why we have taken here 15 into 15, side into side. So again you have to write a statement also. Therefore the area of the square is 225 centimeter square, or you can write it as a 225 square centimeter. Question number 8b. A square shaped ground has a side length of 800 meter. How much distance would one have to walk to complete one round around the ground? Here the length of the square is given 800 meters. We have to find out the perimeter of the square. Answer is, first we have to write whatever is given. So length of the square shaped ground is given as 800 meters. We have to find out the perimeter of the square. We will use formula of the perimeter of square to find out the perimeter of square. So perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 into 800. So the answer is 3200 meters. Then you have to write a statement. So one have to walk 3200 meters to complete one round around the ground. Here only one round has given. If they have asked for 2 or 3 complete round, then you have to multiply this with the number given. Question number 9. Use the price list for the items to solve the following questions. Refer to the price list and calculate the cost. Here in this list, item and price per kg is given. Onions rupees 40 per kg, potatoes rupees 35 per kg, brinjals rupees 48 per kg. If the items are to be purchased as listed below, how much money would need to be paid for each item? A. Onions 3/4 kg and B. Brinjals 1/4 kg. We have to find out the cost of each. Here the price of onion is given as rupees 40 per kg. Price of onions is equal to rupees 40 per kg. Now we have to find out the price of 3/4 kg of onion. So 3 upon 4 into 40. So first multiply 3 into 40 upon 4. 3 4s are 12. So 120 upon 4. Now divide this 120 by 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. Again this 0. So 4 zeros are 0. So the answer is rupees 30. Rupees 30 for 3/4 kg. So here you can write the statement as price of 3/4 kg of onion is equal to 30 rupees. Now we have to find out the price of brinjals. That is 1/4 kg of brinjals. And 1 kg of brinjal cost 48 rupees. So 1/4 into 48 is equal to 48 upon 4. That means we have to divide 48 by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. So the cost of 1/4 kg of brinjal is 12 rupees. Therefore, the cost of 1/4 kg of brinjal is 12 rupees. Question number 10. The midday meal is served at Anand Vidyalaya as follows. Observe and write the correct answers. Here, one smiley is equal to 10 children. In this pictograph, children enrollment is given on the vertical line and on horizontal line the items, that is shira, bhaji pav and pulav has been given. So A. How many children are there in a school? So to find out the total number of children in a school, we have to count all the smileys given in the pictograph. So 3 plus 5 plus 2. So 3 plus 5 plus 2. So there are altogether 10 smileys. And it is given that each smiley is equal to 10 children. So here we will do 10 into the given 10. So 10 into 10 is 100. So there are 100 students, all children in the school. Second question, question B. How many children like Shira? Here 3 smileys are given for Shira. So 3 smileys are given in the pictograph. So 3 into 10, because one smiley is equal to 10 students. So 3 into 10 is 30 students. Therefore, we can write as 30 students like Shira among the 100 students. Question number C. How many children like bhaji pav more than pulav? Here we have to find out the number of students. So bhaji pav, there are 5 smiley. So 50 students like bhaji pav and 20 students like pulav. Students like, share, subscribe for more such videos. We have to find out how many children like bhaji pav. So 5 smileys are given. So 5 into 10 is 50 students like bhaji pav. And number of students like pulav, 2 smileys are given. So 2 into 10 is 20 students. So number of students like bhaji pav more than the pulav is equal to this. We have to subtract 50 minus 20 is equal to 30. So 30 students like bhaji pav more than the pulao. Question number 11. What is the difference between a quarter and a half? Difference between quarter and half. First point is quarter is one part out of four equal parts. It's called quarter, and half is one part of two equal parts. Second point is in fraction, quarter is written as 1 upon 4. In fraction, half is written as 1 upon 2. Question number 12. Color the parts of the given figures as per the given fraction. In first figure, we have to color 1 upon 2. That means half of the 4 triangles. That means we have to color only 2 out of 4 triangles. So here we have colored 2 parts out of the 4 parts. Next figure is circle, and here 3 equal parts are there. From that you have to color 2 out of 3 parts. So here we have colored 2 parts out of 3 parts. Question number 13. Design a new type of fence for this field based on your imagination and describe its function in a single sentence. So here I have done a simple fence, that is compound wall for a field. You can draw a fence of your own choice and own design. And you have to write the function of the fence in one sentence. The function of the fence is to protect the crop from stray and wild animals and to mark the boundary of the field. Students, if you like the content of Excel Tuition Goa board, then kindly share with your friends. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.